Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy here, Kurt, doing a quick video for you guys. Today we are working on this 2019 Honda Civic. We checked the air condition line and realized that the liquid side burst, so we removed the line and this is where the leak is. So what we're going to do now, guys, is weld it and reinstall it back. So this is where the pipe connects to, right here, right down back to the condenser. We weld the pipe, so we're going to install it back now. Guys, if you look through the video on our channel, you see we do a 2016 Civic. We do a hose repair on that one, and as I said, guys, this is a 2019 archback. We finished install the pipe. This is where the pipe did burst. We finished install the pipe, pick up back the bumper, and also regas the vehicle. Just gonna check inside now. And the AC now blowing cold. Cool breeze. Another successful job from Kirk School Air Auto. Remember, guys, if you're in Jamaica and you need your auto AC to repair, don't get our spell. Just find us. The location is in the description. Say something, boss, you good?
What you mean, man? Trust me. Back to me. Can't deal with the heat for the summer, you know. Can't deal with the heat for summer, so well needed. Excellent service. Alright. Here you go.
Up, my G. Yes, guys, so that is another Instagram customer there. So, guys, remember to like, share, and comment. And if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit that post notification bell. Until next time, guys, peace out.